It's time to review the Harry Potter, McFarlane Harry Potter. I'm gonna show you the PTC channel intro. Hey guys, this is the PTC channel. So today we're gonna review the McFarlane Harry Potter. Sorry, I'm gonna late review it because still busy last 3 months from my sorry I'm vacation for that. So and after the August 16th I'll start my classes. So I cannot review the Harry Potter. So okay, so here we have McFarlane Harry Potter. So I got Harry Potter starting world. It says I removed the twist tie, and on the side it says Harry Potter, still the same. The back of the box shows I still have Harry Potter, Hermione Granger, Ron, and Lord. You have McFarlane.com, McFarlane Toys. This is on Facebook. This is Warner Bros. In Starting World. Says on the top McFarlane Toys. I removed the tapes. On the bottom, nothing. So okay, let's open the box. So okay, sorry. Let's open the shop and show you guys what's inside. Here we go. Let's get the backdrop. Alright, so here we go. So yes, Harry Potter here comes with this backdrop. It says undesirable number 1. Reward 10,000 galleons on his head. Here's look at the backdrop first. Okay, here's Harry Potter. So we're gonna fast forward it. I remove Harry Potter here. I remove the action figure here and so first he's the Patronus. So let's assemble it. So you left side of the gear. Where's this beautiful stand there? Oh, I remove it as I forgot this. Okay, here. Yeah, damn, man. So alright, we go. Patronus here. It's nice. Look at the detail. It's really fainted. It's authentic fainted in the. It's like in the movie. It's nice. Okay, here's the Patronus. Comes with this. I don't know what it is. Oh, sorry. You put it here. You put here. Sorry. Okay. Let's put here in. Here goes. Here we go here. Yes, it's basically the backdrop is in the stand. So we got Harry Potter here. because it's like the Daniel Radcliffe. Okay. Comes this end. That's the nice Harry Potter glasses. It's really nice cutting joint. And comes this magic one. Yes, I have this. This figure. It's articulate that. Nice jacket here, back, and the shoes here. Shoes here, net. You can rotate this. Rotate like this. Well, articulations. Maybe pen after joints. And that. Rotate 360. And movable articulations. Bend after nice. Rotate the legs. That upper die cut. That rotate these fins in here. Right, so look at this head, this figure. Really good. They all broke. Now these are the great figure Harry Potter in the movie, because it's just in the 2011 Harry Potter, the Deathly Hallows Part 2, right? So nice figure of that. I'm gonna buy Hermione Granger soon. Gonna review it and unboxing the Hermione Granger soon on this channel. And look at this. Okay. Oh, it's really nice. Look. Let's put in the stands. Okay, so I'm gonna fast forward and guess I'm gonna take in the stands. We have Harry Potter inside and the back with the back drop, and so also the Patronus. But I really like this figure of that. So okay, so that's the Harry Potter McFarlane. So don't forget to like, subscribe. So sorry after before we buy it, so gonna announcement to new unboxing of the Funko Pops. Wait a minute. Here we have it. So today next gonna announcement this, gonna review this next month. Next week, I guess. So, or next month, it's the Marvel Zombie MODOK. Right here, looks. It's Zombie MODOK. So I really like it. So gonna review this soon on this channel. Okay. Put it. So here, gonna review this Marvel Zombies next month or next week, I guess. So leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget the notification. Bye guys.